Hey everyone, welcome back to Pick Autos, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love trucks with raw power, aggressive styling, and serious performance, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ford Shelby F-150, a high-performance beast that takes the legendary F-150 to a whole new level. The Ford F-150 is already one of the best-selling trucks in America, but when Shelby gets involved, things go from impressive to mind-blowing. The 2025 Shelby F-150 is not just about good looks, it's built to dominate both on and off the road. Under the hood, it packs a 5.0-liter V8 engine that cranks out an insane 775 horsepower when equipped with the optional supercharger. That's right, this isn't just a regular pickup, it's a muscle truck designed to deliver an adrenaline rush every time you hit the gas. Power means nothing without control, and Shelby has made sure this truck handles like a dream. With a performance suspension system featuring Fox shocks, it's capable of tackling rugged terrain while still delivering a smooth ride on the pavement. Whether you're tearing up the trails or cruising on the highway, the Shelby F-150 is built to handle it all. Visually, this truck demands attention. The bold Shelby styling includes a custom front grille, aggressive hood vents, and distinctive racing stripes that scream performance. The wide body stance, custom bumpers, and massive 22-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires make it look as powerful as it feels. Shelby also offers an optional Baja package for those who want even more off-road capability, featuring additional skid plates, a lift kit, and upgraded suspension components. Step inside, and you're greeted by a premium interior with a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. The cabin features leather-trimmed seats with Shelby embroidery, carbon fiber accents, and custom badging throughout. It's equipped with Ford's latest Sync infotainment system, offering a large touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system to make every drive even more enjoyable. Despite its high-performance nature, the 2025 Shelby F-150 doesn't compromise on practicality. It retains all the utility you expect from an F-150, including a spacious bed, impressive towing capacity, and advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Whether you're hauling gear, towing a trailer, or just flexing on the road, this truck does it all with style. Of course, a performance truck of this caliber doesn't come cheap. The Shelby F-150 starts at a premium price, and if you opt for the supercharged version with all the bells and whistles, the cost climbs even higher. But for those who crave extreme power and exclusivity, it's worth every penny. So, what do you think about the 2025 Shelby F-150? Is this the ultimate performance truck, or would you choose something else? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic automotive content. Thanks for watching Pick Autos, and we'll see you in the next one.